So if you've got an abundance of wood shavings from your wooden hand plane, here are 3 ideas of what you can do with them. So for the mid-size shavings, the ones that are fairly soft and easy to break, you can put them in a gift box as a padding or a cushion for delicate gifts. You can also use them in a box for packaging for delicate items should you want to mail or ship them somewhere. For the thicker ones, the ones that are easily a bit more crackable and thicker, you can take a bunch of them like so. You can squash them together in a bowl like this. Put the ball in the middle of a piece of newspaper like this. Squeeze it together at the end on all sides, and you've got an effective fire starter to light your wooden or charcoal fire with. Now the smaller pieces and all the leftover ones, like your wood shavings and your sawdust for instance, you can simply take this, throw it and sprinkle it in your garden on top of the soil, and this will enrich the quality of the soil, making sure that your plants and lawn grows better. So if you want to see more tips like this, be sure to like this video. See you next time.